I've been in Fort Collins like almost 13 years now. So I'm a Fort Collins high school graduate, and I study chemical engineering right now at CSU. I am a junior. I love CSU. I've had a great time so far, and in school I think I've learned a lot, and I've gotten like better, as a person in a sense through school. I mean, it's pushed me. It's been a difficult program, and it's improved me. I hold an office in the American Institute of Chemical Engineering Society at CSU, and a lot of times we just have speakers come in. They present, they're from industry, they're doing research from all over the place, these speakers. Sometimes it's just graduate students, or sometimes it's professors from another school. Well, part of AICHE is that there's a ChemE Car team, and there was a semester where I was the captain of the car team, and what we do is we design a car that's powered on a chemical reaction, and ours, in a sense, we launched our car like a rocket, but just on the ground, and it was hydrochloric acid and baking soda, and we just reacted, and the pressure would build up in our tank, in our reaction chamber, and it would, through a tube, would get pushed out into kind of like a potato gun, and we'd launch our car. When you go to one of these conferences, there's a lot of prep for undergraduate students. They have a lot of seminars for you to attend, whether it's finding an internship or organizing your student group. To a lot of times a professor is talking about his research, and you can go attend these all you want. You get to know a lot of people. You get to meet a lot of students from other schools. I mean, they come from everywhere. And then there's the competition, and there's also a poster competition and a national paper competition. And I actually got to take part of the poster competition the year before for the research that I had been doing in the lab. You can get lab experience at the chemical engineering department. There's a definite possibility that if you want to, you can get a job there, and it's very helpful. I mean, you learn how to look up things for like resources, like learn to use resources. You also learn a lot about safety in a lab place, in a place where you're working around other people. You learn about documentation. It's very important. And then another thing about the department is you get to know your teachers pretty well. They're very good, and like I said, they're very friendly, and they're there to help. I really enjoy coming to CSU. There's a lot of good people here. There's always something to do. The rec center, I love just going playing basketball there. CSU is in Fort Collins, and I think Fort Collins is a great town. I really enjoy it. And also you have the mountains, as a playground, and that's great. You're into skiing, snowboarding. I mean, it's right there, so it's an awesome time. And the weather, it's either cold, in the winter, but it's very nice springs and summers and falls. So, I mean, if you're scared of the cold, I'd say come here anyways. It's just going to be for a little bit.